I have some pork ribs today and decided to make a Chinese style braised pork ribs. And the process is pretty straightforward. First, deep fried it and then braise it along with some Chinese spices. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and I hope you will love it. I have some meaty pork ribs, which I have already cleaned and then marinated with some salt and light soy sauce for half a day. Besides that, I also have got ready some other ingredients, the secondary ingredients. This is the green onion sections and ginger slices and 3 different spices that we normally use it to braise pork. This is cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Heat the oil to 180 degrees Celsius to deep fry the pork ribs. Since I'm doing it at home, I use slightly less oil and I intend to deep fry the pork ribs in batches. You can braise the pork ribs straight away without deep frying it, but because deep frying will brown it, and the browning effect will basically improve the flavor, so it is always much better to deep fry the pork rib first before braising the pork ribs. Once it is nicely brown, remove it and then continue the next batch. When it's done, I'll then remove the pork ribs and also most of the oil inside the pan, and only leave a little bit of oil to saute the spring onion and ginger. Just leave a little bit of oil and use this oil to saute the ginger and the spring onion. And also the spices. Let's return the pork ribs back to the pan and start to season it. The ingredients to season the pork ribs are Chinese wine, vinegar, light soy sauce, and then the Chinese 5 spice powder and white pepper, and lastly rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use any ordinary sugar will do. The rock sugar is usually used by the Chinese to make braised meats because it is virtually free from the caramel smell, and that's what they like. And also it helps to form a glossy layer on the meat after it is cooked. So we need some water to braise the pork ribs. Just a little bit more. And wait for a while until it comes to a boil again. Now it's come back to a boil again. So what I need is to reduce the temperature so that it is just barely simmer. And cook it for half to 1 hour or until the pork ribs become very tender, nearly fall off the bone. Halfway through, flip it over for even cooking, and also check the level of water. If the water is not enough, then you need to add some more water so that it will be able to cook it through properly. Now in this case, I need to add a little bit more water. It's not done yet, it's only about half an hour, so I'm going to cook for another 30 minutes before I test the doneness. I've cooked it for about 1.5 hours now, quite soft now. So what I'm going to do next is to remove the pork ribs and leave the liquid inside the pan. And now turn up the heat to reduce the amount of this liquid to make it to become a thick gravy. Now let me pass it through a strainer to get a clean gravy and return the filter gravy back to the pan. And continue to reduce it to become a thicker gravy. Now I have reduced the volume to about half of its original. Now I add some cornstarch slurry to thicken the gravy. Now the gravy is quite thick already. If you look at it, it is able to slightly coat the melon food and it's quite glossy. So at this point, I'm going to return the pork rib back to the pan. And slowly coat every piece of the pork rib with the gravy. The surface has become glossy and shiny. Let's do a test. Now it's just nice. Don't need to add any more sauce or any other seasoning. Transfer it to a plate to serve. That's how to make the simple, straightforward Chinese-style braised pork ribs. There are two important tips that I would like to share to make it really great. First is deep fry it so that it improves the color. The browning effect is very important. And secondly, use a combination of 3 typical Chinese spices, that is cinnamon, cloves, and star anise. And if you want to get a recipe, I've included it in the description below the videos and also at the end of this video for your reference. Please subscribe, tap the notification, give me a thumbs up, try it out, let me know the result in the comment, and I'll see you in some other similar videos. Bye for now.